Hello students, in our previous class we have studied that our India experienced four main seasons. These four seasons are the cold weather season means winter season, the hot weather season means summer season, the advancing monsoon means starting of rainy season, and retreating monsoon means end of rainy season, monsoon season. So these are the four seasons. In our previous class we have studied about winter and summer season. Today we will study about advancing monsoon and retreating monsoon. Advancing monsoon, the rainy season. By the early June, the temperature of the northern plain is high, due to which low pressure conditions occurs in the northern plains. It attracts the southeast trade winds originate over the warm subtropical areas of southern ocean. They cross the equator and blow in southwest direction, entering Indian peninsula as southwest monsoon. As these winds blow over warm oceans, they bring abundant moisture to the subcontinent. These winds are strong and blow at an average velocity speed of 30 km per hour. With the exception of the extreme northwest, monsoon winds cover country in about a month. The inflow of southwest monsoon into India brings about a total change in weather. Early in the season, the windward side means the side which faces towards wind. The windward side of the Western Ghat receives very heavy rainfall, more than 250 cm. The Deccan Plateau and parts of Madhya Pradesh also receive some amount of rain in spite of lying in the rain shadow area. These areas located Deccan Plateau and some parts of Madhya Pradesh lie in the rain shadow area, means in the leeward side, opposite side of the windward, the side which experience very less amount of rainfall. The maximum rainfall of this season is experienced in northeastern part of country, Monsoon. In the southern range of Khasi range, receives the highest average rainfall in the world. Rainfall in Ganga Valley decreases from east to west. When the monsoon blows from east to west, the amount of moisture also starts decreasing. Rajasthan and some parts of Gujarat receive scanty rainfall. Another phenomenon associated with the monsoon is its tendency to have breaks in rainfall. Thus, it has wet and dry spell. In the other words, monsoon rains takes place only for a few days at a time. They are interspersed with rainless intervals. These breaks in monsoon are related to the movement of monsoon trough. Due to movement of monsoon trough means zone, there is break in monsoon. For various reasons, the trough and its axis keep on moving northward and southward, which determines the spatial distribution of rain. When the axis of monsoon trough lie over plain, rainfall is good in this part. On the other hand, whenever the monsoon trough, monsoon zone shift to the Himalayas, they are longer dry spells in the plain and widespread rain occur in the mountainous area of the Himalayan river. These heavy rains bring in their wake devastating floods causing damage to life and property in the plains. The frequency and intensity of the tropical depressions too determine the amount and duration of monsoon rains. These depressions form at the head of Bay of Bengal and cross cross over to the mainland. The depressions follow the axis of monsoon. Trough to low pressure. The monsoon is known for its uncertainties. Uncertainties means the occurrence of monsoon is not certain. It is not fixed. It may occur any time. The alternation of dry and wet spell vary in intensity. Means there is an alternation of dry and wet spell. While it causes heavy floods in one part, it may be responsible for drought in other part. So monsoons are not certain. Somewhere it may cause flood, somewhere it may cause drought. It is often irregular in its arrival and its retreat. Hence, it sometimes disturbs the farming schedule of millions of farmers all over the country. In our India, most of the Indian farmers are dependent on the monsoon for their irrigation. So, because of the uncertainties of monsoon, it disturbs the farming schedule of millions of farmers all over the country.